Next problem, solve y into sin 2x into dx minus of 1 plus y square plus cos square x into dy equal to 0. Solution. So given differential equation is y into sin 2x into dx 1 plus y square plus cos square x into dy equal to 0. So now the given differential equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m equal to y into sin 2x, n equal to 1 minus of 1 plus y square plus cos square x. So now differentiating with respect to y and x. So now dou m by dou y equal to dou by dou y of y into sin 2x. So then here sin 2x is constant and the derivation of y is 1. So then which implies sin 2x. And next one, dou n by dou x equal to dou by dou x of minus of 1 plus y square plus cos square x. So then minus cos square x means 2 cos x, and the derivation of cos x is minus sin x plus 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2x. Therefore, dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, the condition for exactness is satisfied. So, therefore, the general solution is of exact differential solution is, therefore, the general solution is, what is the formula? Integral m dx plus integral n into dy. So, which implies integral m. M means y into sin 2x into dx plus integral n means minus of 1 plus y square into dy equal to 0. So, which implies y into, so what is that? Sin 2x means integral sin 2x into dx minus integral 1 dy minus integral y square into dy. So, y into sin 2x means cos 2x. Sin 2x derivation is cos 2x. So, and then the derivation of 2x is 2. So, next minus integral 1 dy means y minus y square y cube by 3 equal to c. So, it means minus y by 2 into cos 2x minus y cube by 3 equal to c. So, which implies minus y into cos 2x minus 6y minus 2y cube equal to c. So, therefore, what is the value? 3y into here 3y into cos 2x plus 6y plus 2y cube equal to c1. So, which is the required solution of the given differential equation? Which is the required solution of the given differential equation? Next definition is integrating factor. Integrating factor. So what is an integrating factor? The integrating factor can be determined by regrouping the terms. By regrouping the terms and recognizing each group as a part of an exact differential equation. The important useful differentiation is useful differentials are derivation of xy equal to x into dy plus y into dx, and the derivation of y by x equal to x dy minus y dx by x square. Derivation of log of y by x, so x dy minus y dx by xy, and next minus derivation of x by y equal to x dy minus y dx by y square. And next, what is the formula? Derivation of tan inverse y by x equal to x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. And next one is derivation of 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square equal to x into dx plus y into dy by x square plus y square. This is the formula, integrating factor found by inspection method. So it means if the given equation is not an exact, then we multiplying with some suitable function, then it is called integrating factor. So the integrating factor of a homogeneous equation is the integrating factor. Next one, integrating factor of a homogeneous equation is if the equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 represents a homogeneous equation. And mx plus ny is not equal to 0, then the integrating factor of m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is 1 by mx plus ny.